This is an absolutely delightful home. Clean and has all you could think of to add. 2-bed but could be converted back into 3-bed, an extended master bed with bath and a study office nursery room connecting to it. Potting shed, garden spot, gazebo overlooking the second lot, storage barn, workshop, woodshed and an additional storage building. New metal roof, hot water heater, kitchen cabinets and all appliances, wood-burning fireplace, built-ins, breakfast room and formal dining for holiday meals.